So what is up, guys? It's Lightning Sushi here, back with another command block tutorial, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make overpowered weapons. So let's get straight into it. First of all, you obviously need a command block, so you're just gonna quickly say give, and then this, and then command block. That's very simple. Now you want to place it, and this is how you do it. So you just have to say give, right? Yourself, your name, and then you say what type of weapon you want. So if I want for a diamond sword, I'm just gonna say diamond, and then sword, because yeah. Now you have to say press this little button, and this will then enable you to do the more overpowered stuff. So you type in enchant. Alright, so now that you've done that, you can press the column, and then you say ID, like this, and then pull this one, and then this one, and then you do ID. Oh my goodness, why is it not moving? Okay, ID. You want to do another column, and then you say which one you want. So I'm gonna say sharpness, right? And then I want you put a comma and then level, and this is just saying what level you want it now. And then you do this, and then whatever level you want. So I'm just gonna do maybe 1000 or something, and then you have to close up all the brackets. So I'll do this, and then this, and then this, and then see how everything goes. Yellow, that means it's working. And then what you do is to just place a redstone block, and you've gotten your diamond sword. And yeah, it says sharpness level thing, and it gives, I think that says 50,000 attack damage, so that's pretty OP. Also add things, so you have to close this bracket and then press comma, and then you can add something else. So I could add maybe punch as well, or unbreaking. Then you can just do the same thing as ID, and then the comma, a column, and then say unbreaking, and then comma, level, and then another column, and then you can say like massive numbers, and there, and I can get a sword which just has massive stuff. So yeah, that is how you make an OP weapon. Bye. See you later.